It's time to awaken and remember who you really are. It's time to live a life that you absolutely love. And it is time for the awakened being. Conversations to create change. Having real, transparent conversations that will change your world. And together, we can change the world. Hello, my soul family, my dearest friends, my peeps, my tribe. This is Sundari, also known as Marci Mentor, and this is the Awakened Being, Conversations to Create Change. And what this show is meant to open up and activate and shine light on for you to also experience is that we are here to live your grandest adventure that is your life. It's giving you permission and yourself permission to discover all the ways to experience joy. And that means we're in complete freedom and liberation, living a life that is fulfilled, that you absolutely love. This is about remembrance. And by that, I mean remembering the codes of your divinity, your liberation, sovereignty, and the luxury that you are fully worthy of. Remembering that you are already fully worthy of this, and you're whole, and you're healed, and you're complete to receive everything that you desire. Now, to do that, we simply get to unlearn and deprogram and de-story what we've been taught that has us wrapped up in this illusion of forgetting. So we can now realign and integrate to live in our natural state, which is, my friends, experiencing bliss and flow and ease and joy and play, and passion and prosperity, all the magic and miracles, all the awesomeness and abundance in every area of your life as your norm. Living fully free, which is authentic in all of who you are. Fully accepting and honoring all of you, aligned to your full worth and the life that you want to be living, allowing you to unapologetically express and dance and play in the discovery of all that you are and all the play that this world has available to offer you. So you are here for your greatest fulfillment and joy, your grandest adventure and play. And if this sounds like something that you'd like to align your life to be experiencing, or, you're already choosing to live it and you're continuing to practice and discover the ways to accept and receive even more, well, then I am sure you're going to geek out here with me as we dive deep here, and you're going to love these conversations because this is the very purpose of these conversations. It's not a podcast, it's a platform with a divine purpose and sacred contract that was given as divine assignment and a cause. And here you are invited to participate in the conversations that are going to transform your world, and I know therefore transforming the world that we live in. So here we choose conversations that have no limits or boundaries to dive deep with all things laid out, all things exposed, nothing to hide or prove or held back, and to create a standard of authentic and deeply impactful conversations that in turn are going to create a calling from within that change your life from whatever you hear. And what you're going to learn and have the opportunity to integrate along with this is tools and actions into your life from these conversations to continually align to and experience only greater and greater, so that you can truly live a life of abundance and joy and bliss and pleasure and passion and play and awesomeness and all the things that you desire. So I'm honored to be here with you and to be on this journey together as we rise in our remembrance and our wholeness, because by bringing your own wholeness, you bring wholeness to the planet, and it is together that we will rise in love to have a greater life experience for all. I'm so excited for you to join me in these conversations. I look forward to it, and thank you for being a part of this journey. Thank you, my friends, for joining me for another amazing conversation to create change. To allow that change to take place, please integrate the tools so that you can really receive the change into your life. And I invite you to join us for even more in the Best Life Tribe and continue on your path and your journey. And remember who you really are, a divine being that is already whole, already worthy, completely deserving and fully capable to now claim and live the life you love.